Today we are going to look at how to create Facebook ads. So for this, first of all, you have to have a Facebook page, and from there you have to create a business manager and an ad account, and you have to attach the ad account and Facebook page to the business manager, and then you can start running the ads. So first of all, make sure you have a Facebook page already, and second thing is you have to create a business manager. So for that, you have to come to business.facebook.com. Okay, go to this URL. Okay, and click enter. So since you don't have any business managers previously, you will come to a blank screen like where it will ask you to create new business manager. So now I have come to a screen where, because already I have business managers, the screen is different here. So if you look at here, there is a limit to create Facebook business manager, and I have utilized all of them, and I can't create any more. But you will not have that because you are first time trying to create, or you, if you already have it, you can use that. So now I'm going to select this one, this business manager account, and go to that particular ad account. So I have come to the ad account. So now I am in the ad account here. Okay, the first thing what you have to do is you have to decide on what is your objective to run ads. Is that to generate leads for your business, or you just want to run some brand awareness campaigns to your audience, okay, or you want to promote your videos? So you have to choose your objective. So for that, when you click the create button over here, you will see the different options over here. For example, the first one is awareness, right? So this is basically to show your brand, your product, right? Showcase to your audience, right? You can do a reach campaign. Reach is, it will try to give your ad boost to maximum number of people. Brand awareness is where Facebook show to the people who are likely to have interest in your business. Next one is video views, if you want to show your videos. Next one is store location. So if you have any store location in Facebook where you have mentioned, you can promote that store as well. So that is awareness campaign. Next one is traffic campaign. So here you have traffic campaign where you want to send your traffic to your website, to your app, or any event of Facebook. So you can run ads for link clicks, right? You can create a page on your website and you can send people there, and this will be charged based on the link clicks, number of clicks. Next one is landing page views. So if someone lands on that page which is given, then it is a landing page view, and if you want the people to call you, then you can choose the calls button. And next one is messenger and WhatsApp. If you want people to go to message and WhatsApp you, then you can use this. And also same with the messenger, if they want to send the message on messenger, you can create this. So this is for the traffic purpose. Next one is engagement. So you have a post on your page, you have a image post, carousel post, video post, whichever post is there. If you want to get engagement on those posts, you can choose for this one, right? If you choose this one, they will people will message on Instagram, WhatsApp, this one, and if you are promoting them to engage with that particular post. Same with the video views. You are promoting your video for more views. Post engagement, like for example liking, commenting, sharing. So for all this one. And next one is conversions. So if you want the people to come to your website and go to your contact us page so that they fill a form or something, then you can choose this one. Next one is leads. So this is basically where a lead form will pop up inside the Facebook ad itself. Like when someone clicks on ad, Facebook form will come up where the people have to fill the form, and then later you have to download all the leads which came into that form. That is one of the options. Next one is conversions. Also, if you have a page on your website where someone fills the form, and that is redirected to a thank you page, and then you can give that option over here using conversion. Next one is same with messenger. If you want the people to message on messenger, then you can use this. Next, same with the calls. If you want people to call them, you can use this one. Next one is app promotion. So if you have an app and if you want to promote your app, like if you want to have more installs for the app, you can use app install campaign. And the next one is app events. If there are any purchases to be made inside the app, like there are, for example, in a gaming app, there are a lot of coins or something different. Let's say there is a Netflix app, there's a Prime Video, there's a subscription they have to take, right? So that kind of actions can be taken from this app promotion one. Next one is sales. So if you are an e-commerce brand, right, if you are selling products, you are selling physical or digital products or any other product, you can select this one because you want a sale. You want to reach to people who are interested in your product and who can purchase your product. So Facebook will try to show your ad to those people who are more interested towards sales, who make purchases. Right, here also you have conversions, you have catalog is for your e-commerce brand. That same way you have on Instagram, on WhatsApp also you have the catalog options where you can click add to a cart and make the payment over there also. So these, and calling option also, you can call and place the order also. So these are some kind of options you have. Like this all you have to select based on your objective. What do you want from running an ad? Are you looking to bring traffic to your website or app, or for your post on your social media, or if you want to make people purchase your product, right? Or it's just an awareness program you want to create for your brand. So it's all based on your business need. You have to choose one of the objectives over here. Okay, for now, let's click on traffic, and I am clicking on the continue option, right? And you have to give a campaign name over here. So let me say C1 campaign, right? So for there are some specialities like related to employment, housing, and elections, and credit related things and politics, right? Where you have to select if you're running an ad related to that. If it's related to credit cards, loans, finance, you have to select all of this. If it's related to job offers, right, certificate programs, you have to choose this. And if it's related to your insurance, property listing, real estate, mortgages, this one. And if it's related to politics, civil, and economy, or any politician, this you have to select one. So we are nothing related to these categories, so we are not going to select anything, right? And next one is campaign objective. We have selected previously only. If you want to do an A/B testing, like if you want to test multiple images, which image is working better and stuff, you can use this one. Multiple audience also, you can do an A/B testing, basically to understand which audience are working, which images are working, which text is working. Okay. And next one is advantage campaign budget. So this is useful when you have multiple ad sets under the campaign. So the campaign structure looks like a campaign. Under that you have ad sets. Under ad sets you will have ad. So if you want to distribute your campaign budget to your ad sets, not an even way, right? Not an even way or uneven way, right? If you want to control the budget in a campaign level, you have to choose this one. And this is not a mandatory one; it's an optional. I'll explain you in detail later. I'm clicking on next. So I'm also just ad set one, right? And conversion location. If you want to send the traffic to your website, select this. If you want traffic to send to Messenger, click this. And if it's to WhatsApp, and if you want to get maximum number of calls, then choose this one, right? And let's go with the website one. So I want to get maximum number of link clicks. So for suppose there's an event which is coming up tomorrow itself. So you want to reach maximum number of people as quickly as possible because there is only less time. So then choose this one, right? So let's leave this one by default, right? And next one is cost per goal. So this is we can enter it or leave it optional. If you have minimal budget, you can start with 5 or 10 bucks as your cost per result, and if it's not working, then keep on increasing, or if it's lesser than that, decreasing after, you can decrease it after 3 to 4 days of running the ad, right? So dynamic ad, this is basically automatically created ads from the data what we give it will create, but this is not suggestible. We'll just leave it and give the daily budgeting and the lifetime budgeting. If you want to keep it as a daily budget, let's say daily 100 you want to spend, you can put it like that way. Or if you want lifetime budget, which means there is a start date which is today, and there is end date. If you want to end this campaign sometime, just select that date and give the budget you want to allocate for whole of this period. Let's say I want to allocate 1,000, just mention 1,000, that's all. So 1,000 is not taking, I need to have at least 4,000 it is asking, so I will reduce it to until 14, right? So I have reduced it to, let's say, 18, right? Now it has taken. So that's the difference. Daily budget, if you want to spend on daily basis 100, 200, you can select, or lifetime, that is between a period, you can choose. And ad scheduling. So basically, if you want to run your ads on a particular day on particular timings, then you can schedule that way, right? And here next comes the audience selection. So custom audience, this we will discuss later. This is a very big topic again in itself. The next one is we'll go to location. So if you want to run ads in a particular country, in a particular city, in a particular location, you can create. Let's say this is coming from Hyderabad in India. I'm going to select Hyderabad city, right? And you can choose the radius of that one. Let me keep it to 17 kilometers because city is within 17 to 20 kilometers. So let it be within 20 kilometers, right? And you can choose the age also, right? And if you have multiple locations, like let's say 20 to 30 locations, you can add the locations over here, put all the names and match locations. And let's say I'm going to put Mumbai or Chennai, Delhi, Kolkata, right? These are cities. So I'm gonna match them. And yes, we have found all of them. It has suggested so many, but we just want, so it's 4, let's add these 4 locations, right? And next you have to choose the age. You know the target audience and you know the age of them. Let's say the age of these people are graduates, which is 22. Let me select 22, and then let me go until 30, which is mostly the graduates who start working at that point of time, and they are young people. Let's say 22 to 30. And gender, if you want to choose men or women, you can choose. And when you choose all these options, you can see an estimated audience size in the right side. So let's target only women over here. And let's say these are the people who are mostly fall under the marriage category, who may mostly get married in this time. Let's say I'll go to 25 years to 30 years, and let's say they are interested in jewelry for this period, right? I'm going to select the interest of this people, because most likely these are people who want to get married over here, and I'm going to choose that one. So I'm going to choose interest, let's say jewelry, and shopping and fashion. So let's say shopping malls, right? So it's handbags. So I want to target these people who has interest in towards them, and they are women. Okay, and if I want to narrow it down by adding, let's say they are, interested in dance, I can click suggestions and say arts and music, right? If I have some product which is related to these both, so this is an and operator we are using. So people who are interested in this one and also this one. So now you can see the estimated audience size over here. Next, you can check this one, advanced targeting. If Facebook thinks that this is a good thing to expand the audience, if it feels it has the potential to expand, it will expand automatically when you take this. I'm not taking this, let it be. And I wanted to only select few languages in India, which is Telugu prominently, which is in the Telangana and Andhra regions. And next, because we selected Mumbai, it's Marathi, and we have Bengali for, and we have Hindi because we selected New Delhi, in Delhi, right? And placements. So manual placements, which is Facebook has option to advertise on Facebook platform, Instagram platform, right, and many other platforms like Messenger and Audio Network, which is mostly the ad platform where we can put ads on the websites. Let's say I only want to run this ads on Instagram. I'm going to only select Instagram over here, right? And next. So let's say this is ad one, or let it be two. So if you are partnering with some other company and you want to run ads in partnership with them, you can check this on. We don't have anything like that. So we are using our Facebook page, right? And if you have an Instagram account, you should connect both of them and it will show here, and you can select that one. Create ad. So single image, carousel you have, collection you have. So let's go with single image or video. So here you have to add a media. It's an image or video, anything you can add. Right? You can also create a video from your images. So let's say you have an image, you want to create a video, that way you can create. So here are some of the templates which is already given for mostly shopping related ones. There is some error in this. Let's say best furniture, right? And you can add multiple text options over here. You have multiple headlines option, and you have headlines also over here. Multiple headlines also you can add. And next one is call to action. You have get offer, promotions, listen now, order now, get access request time. Let me say order now. So 11 info labels selected. So here are some of the labels which will be shown on the, let's say if it is a free delivery, you can choose free delivery. Free delivery applies to orders above, let's say 1,000. And next, you can choose all of this one. Shop location is not necessary. Shop rank is also not necessary. Date join is also not necessary. Check-ins follows. This is a very good thing to have all of this one. Let's add this one. Next one is website. If you have a website, just give the link of that website, right? And that's all. Let's say add a call button on your website. So this will automatically add call button on your, people will see when you tap on the ad, call button will be added automatically. And you have a WhatsApp also, you have to connect your WhatsApp and it will, people will message on WhatsApp. Next one is phone call. You can directly call using the phone and they will pick up and you can paste the order. So this is all the basic level of, creation of Facebook ads, right? And then once you create, you have to add your card also and you have to publish. And you click on that. You have different options over here. You have debit, credit card, you have UPI, Paytm and net banking options. You can add your card and click on publish. The ad will be published automatically and it will start running after the ad is uploaded. It will start running within, half an hour to 1 hour. So thanks for watching. Please do subscribe to the channel.